How to change a door handle. Difficulty level 1 hammer. Whether you opt for a classical or Art Deco design, door handles add a pleasing personal touch to your home. Anyone can change a door handle, but you should choose a model which is suitable for the existing lock. You will need a new set of door handles, either on a plate or rows, a locking door handle, and a locking mortise latch. You will need a slotted screwdriver, a pair of pliers, a drill with a 6mm wood drill bit, a set of Allen keys, and a pair of circlip pliers. Make a careful note of the existing setup to see if you need a model with inside turning handle only on a plate or rows. Note also whether there is space to insert a key into the lock. Door handles for bathrooms and WCs can only be locked from the inside, with a modesty covering over the outside. Before purchasing, check to see where the existing door plate fixing holes are. Try to avoid filling the old holes and drilling new ones. With older models, you need to remove the pin which holds the handle in place on the square spindle. Remove the pin with the pliers. Then pull on the handles from either side. On newer models, the plate and the handle are one unit. Undo the mounting screws and pull on the handles from either side. If the fixing holes for the new handles are offset, push the square spindle into the new handle and mark the new fixing holes. Using a 6mm drill bit and with the drill perfectly perpendicular to the door, drill a hole all the way through the door. On one side, insert the plate and the handle with a square spindle into the slot. Then attach the other handle, insert the fixings, and screw them in fully from the longer side. Certain models offer a choice of opening direction for the handles. To change direction, remove the circlip at the back of the handle. An older key-operated lock. If your bathroom or WC door is locked using a key, take this opportunity to replace the lock with an interior thumb turn latch, with a modesty covering over the outside. Since the new locking system is operated by a square spindle, you must replace the mortise lock set into the leading edge of the door with a locking mortise latch. Remove the key, the door handles, and the old door plates. Unscrew the lock assembly, remove the two screws, and then gently remove the lock assembly. The new lock and door handles. Insert the new lock into its recess and screw it in place on the leading edge of the door. The method of installing the plates is identical, and if the holes are misaligned, you will have to drill new holes in the door. Insert the square spindles, aligning them properly with the shape of the slot. Attach one handle and then the second. Insert the plate fixings into their holes and screw them in fully from the longer side. Tighten, but don't over-tighten the small hex scrub screws under the door handles. Each handle is held firmly on the square spindle using a headless scrub screw. Unscrew and remove the rose cover on one side and remove the handle. Do the same on the other side of the door. You do not have to completely remove the grub screw. Remove the casing covers from the new door handles on a rose. Insert the square spindle into the door, then place a door handle on either end. Replace the roses and fix the handles firmly in place using the headless grub screws. Finish by replacing the rose covers and check that the latch works properly. A quick job, which gives the door a whole new appearance.